चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And we have given a representation to the Chief Minister of Telangana, and he promised us for a fair and transparent investigation. Now we believe that the Congress government will reinvestigate it in a fair and transparent manner. The DGP himself has gave a statement that they are going to reinvestigate it. See, after the filing of this closure report, that the DGP himself has gave a statement that they are going to reinvestigate it, and they are going to file a petition in the High Court. And we have given a representation to the Chief Minister of Telangana, and he promised us for a fair and transparent investigation to deliver a justice to Rohit Vemla's issue.
So do you think that the closure report is not fair and because it says that Rohit Vemla is not a Dalit?
That will be investigated again, and now we believe that the Congress government will reinvestigate it in a fair and transparent manner, and we are waiting for that. And PM also promised that.
When BRS government was in power, BRS party was in power in Telangana. And we all know that BRS party is hand in glove with BJP. Intentionally, BRS party has prepared this report as per the directions of BJP government. And all of a sudden, they have submitted this report a month ago. After a month, this report comes out yesterday during this parliament elections. Soon after this coming out, BJP people national leadership started tweeting about it. And they tried to politicize the entire issue. But 100% our Chief Minister met the family, Radhika Vemulaji and Raja Vemulaji, along with other students who were in that case. And he assured and promised that fair and transparency inquiry will be done. Already our DGP has given a press statement yesterday evening that reinvestigation will be done. And the culprits of Rohit Vemla will be punished. And our Chief Minister, 100%, he told that personally he will monitor this entire issue till justice is given to that family.
Sir, the Congress government, despite being in power here in Telangana, now that the BJP is accusing the Congress, of actually politicizing the issue back here.
See, from past 7-8 years, when this issue happened, none of the BJP officials tried to, BJP people or BJP party leaders didn't even try to intervene into this. If really BJP people want to try resolve this issue, they would have taken it at national level. But they just wanted to subsidize this issue. And just during elections, this issue comes out. And within a fraction of minutes, BJP people start speaking about it. Because they intentionally want to take political motive and political benefit of this issue. But Congress party is not trying to politicize this issue. We just want to stand by the Dalit family who have been affected because of the negligence of BJP party and the Vice Chancellor. And the culprit should be punished. And Rahul ji is the leader who stood by the family from past 8 years in each and every moment. And even we have promised that in our manifesto, we will even, after formation of India Alliance in central government, we will even implement Rohit Vemla Act, and we stand by our words 100%. We will deliver justice to the family.
But the closure report also says that Rohit Vemla is not a Dalit.
See, in the closure report, the caste certificate should be issued from the district, like Guntur district where Rohit Vemla belongs. Even the state government in Andhra Pradesh, there is some conspiracy in this entire issue, because of which our Chief Minister intervened into this issue. He personally assured the family that he will monitor, and our Cyberabad Commissioner will look into this issue, and facts will be bringing out, and justice will be given to Rohit Vemla family.
कितना दमन में तेरा